Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, School Morning Assembly Anchoring Script for Labor Day, which is on 1st May. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Mahatma Gandhi. And with these motivational words, I'm Meenakshi from class 8 standing here with my classmates to present today's morning assembly. Dear friends, as the sun rises to bring in the new day, we remember those whose work begins in darkness, who work outside in the harsh elements, in the bitter cold and sweltering heat of extremes. And as the sun sets, we remember those who work in the night, participate in unsafe and dangerous work. On the occasion of Labour's Day, we pray for the invisible backbone of the nation. May God will bless their hard work. And with this, let's start today's morning assembly with God's prayer first. So everybody, join your hands, close your eyes and start prayer. After prayer and pledge. 1st May, International Workers' Day or Labour Day, is dedicated to honoring and celebrating the effort put in by workers across the world. It is a day for acknowledging their sacrifices. Dear friends, each and every labor or worker deserves respect and the right to lead a dignified life, and let us salute them for all their contribution in different sectors. We'll know more about this day, but before this, let us listen to today's thought. And for thought of the day, I invite on stage Vaibhav from class 8th. Good morning to you all. My name is Vaibhav. Thought of the day is: one machine can do the work for 50 ordinary men. No machine can do the work of one extraordinary man. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you very much, Vaibhav, for such a nice thought. If a task is once begun, never leave it till it's done. Be the labor, great or small, do it well or not at all. To celebrate the spirit of Workers' Day and understand its importance better, here is Shreya from class 7th, who is going to present a beautiful poem. Thank you, Shreya, for such a nice poem. Workers work all year long to meet their goals in developed society. This day is all about revisiting the rights of workers and preventing them from getting exploited. The day has its origin in the labor union movement back in the 19th century. Let us know more about this day. I invite on stage Diksha from class 8 to deliver a speech. Thank you very much, Diksha, for such a knowledgeable speech. Labor Day, officially a day designated to celebrate the organized labor movement, and is celebrated in countries around the world. Though not necessarily on the same date, let us see how much we know about Labor Day. Let us test our knowledge with a quiz, and for this I invite on stage Kiara from class 8th. And after quiz and national anthem, today on this beautiful occasion, we take pledge to give the due respect to the each worker providing her services in any field. Someone truly said that before the reward, there must be labor. You plant before you harvest. You sow in tears before you reap joy. We are indebted to the many contributions of the workers all over the nation. And here we end today's morning assembly. Have a great day ahead.